Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial, how to play Twist and Shout by the Beatles on bass guitar. The bass is tuned E, A, D, G, or standard tuning, and we'll need to learn a couple of bass lines that we can play throughout the entire tune. There's some variation in the bass lines in this song, but we're going to just use some simple bass lines that we can use for the entire song. The first bass line will be the one for the intro, and it'll sound something like this. We'll lead into our bass line by going to the 5th fret on the E string, the 7th fret, and then the A string, 4th fret. So we've got this. And then we'll continue with the repeated part of the bass line. For that part, we're going to go to the A string, fret 5, fret 4 on the D string, back to 5 on the A string, and then fret 5 on the D string. So that's. Then we'll go to the G string, 4th fret, back to the D string, 5th fret, and then fret. And when we get there, we'll play. So here's the entire thing. Repeat. And that's our intro. Now for the rest of the song, we'll be able to play this bass line. Now for that bass line, we're going to play pretty much what we played before. But we'll add this. For that part, we're going to go to the E string, 5th fret, A string, 4th fret, 7th fret, D string, 7th fret, 5th fret, 4th fret, A string, 7th fret, and back to the 5th fret on the A string. So, and the entire thing is and that's repeated. Now for the bridge, we're going to go up to fret 7 on the D string and play this. We'll sit there for a while doing that. And when we get ready to come out of that, we'll go. So that was, that's fret 7, 5, 4, A string, and then we're back to where we started. So it's all right, folks, that's how I play Twist and Shout by the Beatles on bass guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.